Okay.
One simply orange juice, and one Gatorade Blue. Yeah.
And is that all from the, is that the bottles over there?
Yeah, bottom from there.
Okay. Super. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you. Simply orange. And Sprite.
I'd like it one foot ultimate BMT. The bread is
Simply
Italian
orange
urban
Sprite.
tea.
And the other one is a Kevin's tuna. I see one there. And Keegan is simply orange, Sprite, and a Gatorade Cool Blue. Okay. There we go. Thank you, thank you. All right. Got 3. Let me see. It's just simply orange, a Sprite, and a Cool Blue. For
No, we don't got any Sprite. Oh, yeah.
okay.
You're right.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
Can you grab one fork here?
A fork.
A fork.
Let's see. Oh, up top. Okay, great. For that one there. Okay, thank you. All right. This guy is Kevin. This is Kevin. Okay. And Kevin. All right. And I got this one over here. Kevin. Okay. The bigger order is Keegan's. Kevin is a smaller order. Okay.